Hi everyone. So I will make my husband try the tofu. Where is tofu? So I'm frying the tofu. But you're going to try. Titikman niya yung tofu. Let's see. Maksud mo ako Yes. And
This way.
what you will say? Ano masasabi mo?
So much sarap.
So much
So much food.
10 over
10 over 11.
10. So, nagustuhan niya yung ating tofu. Gusto niya pang balik-balikan. Yay! So, ngayon si Baba naman yung magte-try ng ating tofu. Let's see what will be his reaction. Naka-onion. Naka-onion. Suwan. Naka-suwan. Yeme. Nipis. Çok güzel. So sarap. Say, Baba, sarap. So sarap.
Sarap.
Ayun nga, mukhang masarap pa naman sila. Ayan, patuloy pa rin siya nakain. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.